When someone disrespects you, don't react, don't argue, don't involve yourself in drama. Simply remove your presence and walk away. Distance is the best and most effective response to disrespect. It protects your peace, your emotional well-being, and your dignity. Walking away isn't a sign of weakness, it's strength. It shows you value and respect yourself enough to set boundaries. Reacting to disrespect only makes the situation worse, but by staying silent and choosing distance, you maintain control. It sends a clear and strong message. I won't tolerate this. I deserve better. Sometimes, stepping back gives the other person time to reflect on their behavior. If they don't, that's on them, not on you.